If you want to blur the edges of an image in GIMP, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple beginner-friendly method that creates a soft blurred edge effect without making the whole image blurry. This is perfect for making your photos look cleaner, adding focus to the center, or creating a subtle vignette style effect. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image inside GIMP. Once your file is loaded, the first thing we need to do is create a selection that stays slightly inside the borders of the image. To do that, press R on your keyboard to activate the Rectangle Select tool. If you prefer using the menus, you can also go to Tools, then Selection Tools, and choose Rectangle Select. Now drag a rectangle on your image, but make sure the selection sits a little bit inside the outer edges. Don't drag all the way to the border. The reason for this is simple. The parts outside your selection are going to become the blurred edge area, so leave a little space near the edges all the way around. Once your selection is in place, the next step is to invert it. This is important because right now the center is selected, but we actually want the edge areas selected instead. To do that, go up to Select and click Invert. After that, only the outer edge areas should be selected. Now that the edge areas are selected, we need to soften the selection so the blur blends naturally. Go to Select again and choose Feather. Feathering helps create a smoother transition between the sharp center and the blurred edges. For beginner settings, a good range is between 20 and 100 pixels depending on the size of your image. If you're working with a larger image, you'll usually need a higher feather value. If it's a smaller image, start with a lower number and adjust from there. After you enter your feather value, click OK. At this point, the selection edges should already look softer, but we still need to apply the actual blur effect. Now go to Filters, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. This is the tool that will give us the soft blurred edge look. When the Gaussian Blur window opens, increase the blur radius until the edges look smooth and natural. You don't want it to look harsh or overdone, so take a moment to preview the result and adjust the settings carefully. The goal is to gently fade the edges rather than completely destroy detail. Once you're happy with how it looks, click OK to apply the blur, and that's it. You've successfully blurred the edges of an image in GIMP using a simple selection, feathering, and Gaussian blur. This technique is great because it gives you a lot of control. You can make the blur subtle for a professional finish or stronger if you want a more dramatic effect. It works really well for portraits, product images, social media graphics, and any design where you want the viewer's attention focused toward the center. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more GIMP tutorials, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.